chased him away. And this crazy broad attacked me.
Crazy broad is the assistant district attorney.
I tell you, man, give them women power and look what happens. They turn mean and spiteful. That's what. You know what? I love them when they know their place.
Why did you feel about Susan Nickner?
Never met her.
Worked on her scarf, your room, the Stevens.
So, that's supposed to mean something. I find all kinds of things there. Sometimes I keep them.
Oh, you're a collector.
No law against it, is there?
We'll have the warrant first thing in the morning. Then you guys can go back in and clean the place out.
Good.
Well, I guess we won't be needing that extra security on campus now.
Especially with the right guy first.
You know, Ranger, it seems pretty clear to me.
Nothing's clear with this. Until we complete the investigation.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, man, why don't you just go after it and tell her you think he's a jerk? If you have to throw in the L word, you know, just what are you wasting your time for?
Trevette, do you mind?
Charette, I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, Trevette.
I got some. It's what you're going down tonight, midnight. Marina, Weaver Lake, Slip 93. The guy you're looking for. Be there.
Let's do it.
Doesn't look like much is going on.
Yeah, sound like it. It's too quiet. Call for backup.
All right. Yeah, correct. Right here, Slip 93. Why don't you send a couple units out? It's looking kind of hopeful.
Walker, Texas Ranger.
What are you doing? Why are you driving so fast?
Accelerator stuff.
Well, get your foot off.
I am.
You know, this is the first time I've ever heard of an individual trying to take out two Rangers.
Now, whoever this drug kingpin is, he's taking it personal. What's his name?
Kurt Nightclub.
Oh, you bitch.
Walker Trevette, I'd like you to meet Professor Peter Needham.
How you doing? Nice to meet you, fellas. Alice can date anyone she wants to. It doesn't matter to me. According to these, two girls were raped in that same parking garage. And it was the same exact set of circumstances, too. Girl's alone, she's coming from class, empty stairwell.
A friend of mine was named West. Ever since that, it really switched. Rumor has it he was one of the new professors.
You alright?
Yeah,
Springs. You don't like women, fish. I love them when they know their place. Hello.
Where's Tony, the kid you were gonna come from class?
Well, he didn't show up. Stupid idea, you know, this karate crap. You know, my mom's boyfriend was some kind of champ. He was a certified jerk.
So you want to learn karate, huh? I'll teach you karate. See how good it works?
You Tony's father?
No, me and Tony's mom are engaged. The kid here don't make it any easier either. Give him a job delivering for my business and never shows up on it.
You deal with your walk. Don't underestimate him. He's the best they've got.
The Rangers will be there in 24 hours. Ranger, I'm gonna live in this for a little bit. You guys got an invitation? Where's my partner? He said it's up your piece of carpet. I didn't know that was I swear on my sainted mother, it's great. Tell me, who are people going to be swearing on? You're great. Where's my partner? Where is it? 8700 South Bronx Ave Road. In the back.